Yes, I get it. You can see. I don't know if I. Yes. You see. Hello, guys. Yes. Welcome to this one. I ordered this radiator and it came. And the issue I have with it, when it came, I found out that it's totally leaking. I don't know if you can see. Look at here, it's opened. Yes, and the other side is open. You can see here has been dimp, like they put load on it and it pressed and it removed on its position that it's supposed to be. And this side is okay, only that I just have to click it back more. So this video is going to show you how to remove this cover and how you can easily fix something like this. So what I'll be needing to do it is a plier and a screwdriver. Yes, I have my screwdriver. Where did I drop it? Yes, a screwdriver. Yes, I think that is all you need. That's the major tools you're going to need to do this. So by doing it, I'm going to start opening it up. Yes, opening it up with flax screwdriver is pretty easy to open it. Don't open it too wide. Yes, as you can see. So you can see it's kind of easy to open up. Let me put it on my leg so that you can see how I definitely do it. This is the key, the first key. So I'm doing it this way because I know this plastic is strong plastic. If you're afraid of this, you can put something behind, like so. You can see like this. You see that? Don't open it too wide. Like so. I'll flip it over to open up the other side. And last, you like to be able to remove the cover. So I'm going to open the last side of it. Yes. On it. So I think I'll try it now to remove it. If it doesn't remove, I will have to open it more. You see, I'm going to get this open. Be careful not to damage anything. Yes, as you can see, I've seen the issue. This rubber, the middle one, has cut off. Yes, at least I can still use this one in there. So both things it has get spoiled. When I draw it like this, you will not see. You will see it cut off, or if you bend it like this, you will see it cut off. So the rubber is still good. I'm going to still use the rubber, but on the casing, as you can see, this casing has bent here. You can see here is okay, from here to here has bent, so I have to bring it back. Yes, to bring it back, I'm going to use my blower. Yes, this is my blowers that I'm using. I'm just going to heat it like so, heating it, then I'll put stretch on it. Okay, let me create the stretch first. Yes, I'm going to create stretch so that I can place the stretch that will guide it not to, after it heat up, it won't go back again. So I'm just going to cut it. I create my wedge, so I'm going to heat it up now, like so. I think I'm going to keep this one side, then I'm going to heat it up properly, putting it high. It's going to take a while, but I'm still going to do it. As you can even see, it's going back by itself. But if you heat it and you leave it, it will come back to the former shape. So you have to heat it and put this so that to stay in place. Don't heat it too much. So I'm going to cut more of it up to this side. I'll do it the same way. So let me get it done. So guys, this is how I put the guide, yes, to stay in place. So right now I'm going to heat it. Like I want this beyond like shape. I just have to heat it. Yes. It's over now. So you see it's getting out by itself, so I have to leave it like this to cool off. If I want, I'll soak it in the water so that it will cool off and it will remain like this. So let's get that ready. Let's put this aside while we continue on this. Yes, so on this I have to clean up all the dirty I'm seeing on top of the seal. Yes, to clean it up is just to get your brush. I will just have to use this brush, teeth brush, to clean it up. Yes, clean it up thoroughly. You don't want to see any dirt there. Yeah, I believe now it's clean. So it's clean. So guys, as it's getting cool, you can see it dirty on the lip of the cover, so I got to sound it out. Yes, if I want proper seal, so I just have to sound it like this. So it's okay like this. Let me try removing this and see how it will go back. If it go back, I'll redo it. Yes, and if it stay, I'll leave it like that. As you can see, just here that you need to be on a shape, so it's still pretty hot, so I'll leave it like this for a while. So see, it's getting along, so I'll let it cool down finished, then I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, so I remove it and I notice it go back the way it is. That's the deformation that it forms. So right now I'm going to eat it more, eat it like crazy. Yes, I know it's water, hot water that used to get inside, so it won't be easy for it to, you know, go back in the normal shape by heating it lightly. So you have to heat it very hard, but don't get it spoiled. It can also spoil if you heat it too much. So just watch me the way I did it. So right now it's heat enough, so I'm going to use water to cool it down. I have a little bit bucket here, yes, which I'm going to use. Yes, you can see the steam. Yes, I'll just cool it down. As it cools down, I'm going to remove the braising that I put. Okay, I'll allow it to cool down a little bit. Yes, then I'll remove it. So I believe it will work like this. So let's fix it. Let's start fixing it and see how it will turns out. So guys, I hit it up. It keep going back on me. Yes, going back to the deform shape. So I decided not to heat it anymore because this is not really rubber. It's not plastic. It's not really plastic. So I decided to leave these three brackets in it, and I'm going to mount it on the aluminum radiator. I'm going to mount it on it. Yes, and I'm going to mount it like this. Yes, mount it real tight, then I will leave it for a while. Don't do mistake. You see, I wanted to do a mistake now, so I'm going to mount it like this. After I mount it, keeping it for a while, then I create this thing. Before I mount it, I create it. So once I'm done, and maybe I kept it for 1 week or 3 days, or I can easily put it in the car like this and leave it for a while. After using the car for a while, then this may have get weak and fall down by himself. I'll just turn it over and bring it out here. Or after the thing cure, then I'll put the iron like this. You can see drawing it, we disengage here, then it will come out. I can also do this one too, then I can do the last one. The last one will be very tough, but I can still do it. You can see it, forcing it, then pushing it up like this, and it will come out. So for me not to damage this, I have to do it in this way. So right now I'm going to start applying gum on this, and I will apply the cover. So guys, I decided to remove the seal rubber, yes, and just to see if I'm going to fix it, because I've gone through that before. If you remove the rubber, you will see corrosions behind, and just as I predict, look at, you can see this side is kind of bad, and this side, yes, this two side is bad. So you can see the rest of the place, you can see the difference. I want to show you so that you should know what you are looking for when you are doing something like this. You can see it, this is the behind. That's, if you turn it like this is how it stayed. But if you, because if you turn it like this and apply gum, you won't, the gum won't penetrate to the back, and you can see how courageous chop it, and it leak is going to be leaking in the other side. So it's a good thing that I remove it. So right now I'm going to apply gum on the base, then put it on it, then apply gum on it before putting the cover. So let's get into it. I'm going to remove it, put it aside, then apply the gum. I don't want to advertise for anybody. Yes. So line it. So applying it, you can see I reduced this, yes, because the casing is forming back the way it should. Okay, this is it guys. Yes, I just finished tapping it and clip it with plier. Yes, I clip it more with plier just like this. Yes, so right now I'm going to leave it to cure. Yes, after like 1 hour or 2 hour I'll test it out. But as for this video, to test it out, you can see I've already put a waterproof and I tight it the same way the other side. Then I'll blow it. If I blow it now, I don't want pressure to leak out where it's supposed to be sealed, so I will not blow it right now. I will allow it to cool, to cure, then I'll test it out. If it didn't work, I have to open it again and redo it. So that is it, because I did not change that seal. That is why. In my place here, there's nowhere to find that seal. I can't find the seal. I have it before, but I don't know where I kept it. You can see it. I have it before. You see it. I order it. I have it. So I don't know where I kept it. So I just have to do it this way for now. Yes, and I know it's going to work. So this is where I'm going to end this video. Please, if this video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I have some previous video that I've done on the radiator as well, so you can see the link on top of this video. So please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. I keep trying. Okay, I think I'll hook one. Yes. Yes, I get one out. So one to go. I'm going to try it again. The same thing, the same method. Hope the second one will not take my time. Yes, I get it. I see. I don't know if I. Yes. You see it? So that is it.